With Ring, you get alerts so you always know what's up.
Oh, thank you. Could you stick that behind the railing, please?
But what if you're going somewhere? Or you're too busy to get an alert? Introducing Virtual Security Guard, an extra layer of protection with a professional live monitoring service, keeping an eye on your home when you need it.
Yo, I think it's unlocked.
This is Rapid Response. We're actively monitoring this property.
What the heck is that?
That is trusted monitoring companies like Rapid Response protecting your home when you can't. Here's how it works. With a Virtual Security Guard subscription, simply tap whenever you want us to do the protecting for you. If you've got a delivery, they'll send you a text. If someone's on your property,
This is Rapid Response. We are actively monitoring this property.
they can sound the siren. And if they need to, they'll even dispatch the police or send the fire department. You're always in control. You choose which outdoor cameras to use, and the monitoring stops the moment you want it to. So relax with Virtual Security Guard. Real-time protection, real trusted agents, ultimate peace of mind.